Pete here with the smallbusinessresourcecenter.com. Just want to give you an update on the coronavirus and some important information from Danny DeVito. Then I'm going to go over the stats last. This is an update for May 11th. I also will be updating important information on stimulus funding. I had a video a couple days ago, and basically this week they're definitely going to have more updates. So let's look at this here. Well, Danny DeVito, if you don't know who he is a representative, he's a candidate, I should say, for his district. And he tried to present legislation to allow real estate and some other businesses to be considered essential, because in Pennsylvania, they are considered non-essential. I don't know why housing would not be considered essential. And if you don't understand in Pennsylvania, I'm going to have my other video in the description that explains how real estate operates. And it's so limited, it's very difficult. Most real estate agents are completely not even working, I've been told, like just not even doing anything. But let's go on to what's happening right now with Danny DeVito. He is calling for the impeachment of Governor Wolf and Lieutenant Governor Fetterman. Basically, the Wolf administration threats against the counties, small businesses today were unacceptable declaration of war. So he's calling on the General Assembly to impeach Wolf and Fetterman. Governor Wolf has declared war on the county and local governments in the Commonwealth who are exercising their ancient rights to defend people under their jurisdiction. The governor has trampled upon the principle of subsidiarity and has attempted to eradicate the authority of the local government, usurping their role and centralizing power unto himself. Number two, Governor Wolf has threatened to withhold funding from counties who defend their small businesses from the multinational corporations that have operated throughout this crisis with the approval of the governor. This regulatory measure would only cause further harm to the people in the Commonwealth at the time when we are already struggling to survive. Basically, what he's saying is he's allowing all the big businesses to operate, and all the small businesses, self-employed people, and other people like that, he's actually not allowing to operate. So you can see how this is creating a lot of problems. So Governor Wolf has also threatened the permits, licenses, and certificates of small business owners who open their doors in order to feed their families by threatening the livelihoods of those he has a duty to protect. Governor Wolf has already abdicated his claim to the governorship of this Commonwealth. Governor Wolf appointed Dr. Levine as the Pennsylvania Secretary of Health, who is grossly unqualified in the field of public health. Dr. Levine directed the placement of COVID-19 patients into nursing homes, leading to the death and suffering of our most cherished Pennsylvanians. While Levine must immediately resign and/or be removed, Governor Wolf is also responsible for the reckless order. He is responsible for Levine's appointment. Point number 5, Governor Wolf appointed Jerry Oleksiak as Secretary of the Department of Labor and Industry. His position is responsible for unemployment compensation. Mr. Oleksiak is grossly unqualified to hold this position, and this incompetence led to the inability of countless Pennsylvania's access to unemployment funds. So there's a couple little things here I want to expand on. First of all, there was articles that stated that Pennsylvania paid, if my memory serves correct, $25 million for a new unemployment compensation website. This was actually supposed to be created 1 or 2 years ago. I think it said 2 years ago, and it's still not done. $25 million to make a new website, and it's not done. That seems like a lot of money. I'm wondering who was in charge at the time. Also, many people in Pennsylvania have stated that the UC benefits, unemployment compensation, it had not gone through. It's been over a month since they applied. The PUA, pandemic unemployment assistance link was not working for probably about a month. And actually, when it was working, I should say, it wasn't working properly. Now it works, and still people are saying it's been close to a month and they still haven't received any compensation yet. I'm not saying everybody, I'm just saying there's a lot of posts online that I've read and people have commented that they're not getting the benefits that they were expecting. Not at all, even though it says they're approved. Number 6, Lieutenant Governor Fetterman has been an accessory to Governor Wolf's war on Pennsylvania and has enthusiastically supported Governor Wolf's decisions. The lieutenant governor should be held equally responsible for Governor Wolf's decision and should not be allowed to occupy the governor's chair. Keep in mind why he's saying this, because let's just imagine if they do impeach Governor Wolf, that puts the lieutenant governor, current one, in his position. So what he's stating, DeVito stating, is both of them should be removed, as well as Jerry and as well as Dr. Levine. Therefore, the DeVito campaign urges the General Assembly of the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania to immediately begin impeachment proceedings against Governor Wolf and Lieutenant Governor Fetterman, effectuate their removal from office. Well, what are your thoughts? Do you like this comment? Do you hate this comment? You should like it if you're supporting it, hate it if you don't. And also share this information. Let me know how these things have affected you. I didn't know how bad it was until people actually commented on some of the things that they applied and they're not getting benefits. I do know the system is not set up properly for PUA and the questions are deceiving. People are putting their answers in honestly and being told they're not approved. But keep in mind, federally, it says due to the coronavirus, you do not have to look for a job because they realize it's difficult and you can apply for PUA for broad circumstances. And in Pennsylvania, it seemed like they narrowed down some of the answers to kick people out who probably should be getting approved. Anyways, share the video, like, comment, subscribe, and if you want updated information or you need help, let me know. I probably got a video on it, or I'll make a video if I can help you out. Have a great day. Good luck.